fascinating. A species of ancient whale. Welcome to the crew, Ambulocetus.
Ladies and gentlemen, DreamWorks Animation proudly presents your hosts, Mr. Peabody and his boy, Sherman.
Back when the first mammals emerged, whales never exactly had the chance to stay in the water for long. Back then, these creatures used to walk on land. And they usually just glide through the water whenever they please. Just in case they search for food. Or if they just like to swim. My suggestion is that they just like to swim. I never exactly got the chance to ask myself why. I just know. Let's see what we can find out more about this amazing animal. Let's see. Where is it? Aha! Here it is. Ambulocetus. Primitive whale that walked on land. Its fossils were found in Pakistan. And they're 10 feet long. They lived about 50 to 49 million years ago. And they did not have a conventional ears. Instead, it would have picked vibrations through the jawbone. Wacky, right? That's just wacky.
Ladies and gentlemen, DreamWorks Animation proudly presents your hosts, Mr. Peabody and his boy, Sherman.
Shoot, forgot to notice that he has webbed feet. There we go.
Ladies and gentlemen, DreamWorks Animation proudly presents your hosts, Mr. Peabody and his boy, Sherman. Ladies and gentlemen, DreamWorks Animation proudly presents your hosts, Mr. Peabody and his boy, Sherman.
This amazing sea animal got his, well, this dinosaur got his first appearance on Walking with Prehistoric Beasts. I really don't know where the DVD is, but I'll pick it up as soon as I'm done. You get what I'm saying, right? Did you catch my draft? In the meantime, I'll just have to show you the sticker book instead. Here it is. Oh, here's the DVD. There we go. There we go. Just put this in.
Ladies and gentlemen, DreamWorks Animation proudly presents your hosts, Mr. Peabody and his boy, Sherman.
There. And finished. There we go. I think that's how you draw Ambulocetus. The same one found in Walking with Prehistoric Beasts. And speaking of prehistoric beasts, may this be my promise that there will be more prehistoric animals like this coming soon. And in the meantime, check out the other dinosaurs that I've drawn in the past, along with the other prehistoric animals I completed. They're all here. Sit back and enjoy.